Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
2. Sketch your observations of the letter E slide in the table below. Be sure the slide is right side up with the label at the left. When the stage moves to the right, the image. When the stage moves toward you, the image moves. Appearance of the E with the naked eye. Appearance of the E under the microscope moves to the. So, our today correct answer is right side up, right, left, right, left. Appearance of the E with the naked eye. Upright appearance, boulder. Appearance of the E under the microscope. Inverted appearance, mirror image. When the stage moves to the right, the image moves left. When the stage moves toward you, the image moves away.
So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.